black and white. And I prefer the country or city lights, but we made our bed and it feels just right. So I'll stay here with you for the rest of my nights. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful, darling, beautiful, with you here next to me. Oh, it's beautiful, the life that we've made here. Oh, it's beautiful, and I don't want to take it for granted. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me.